Hey, tech enthusiasts! We understand the frustration of losing access to a crucial document or a cherished memory due to a crashed or corrupt PDF file. But don't worry, we've got a solution that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Introducing Stellar PDF Repair, a powerful tool that can recover complete PDF content from crashed or corrupt files. With Stellar PDF Repair, you can restore your PDFs to their original state, complete with all content, including text, images, charts, and more. Here's how it works. First, download and install Stellar PDF Repair from the link in the description box below. Once you've installed it, launch the software and add the corrupted PDF file you want to repair. The software will then analyze the file and identify the issues. Next, click the Repair button, and Stellar PDF Repair will work its magic. Depending on the file size and the extent of the corruption, this process might take a few minutes. But trust us, it's worth the wait. Once the repair is complete, you'll see a preview of your fixed PDF. If everything looks good, it's essential to save the repaired file to a safe location. Remember, it's crucial to save it to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original corrupted file and take responsibility for your data. Stellar PDF Repair is not just a powerful tool, it's also incredibly easy to use. It supports a wide range of PDF formats and can even recover PDFs that are partially damaged or won't open at all. This ensures you don't lose any important data and gives you the confidence to handle any PDF recovery situation. So don't let crashed or corrupted PDF files get in the way. Download Stellar PDF Repair today and start recovering your files. Click the link in the description box below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials and solutions.